Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to send a email using Claude AI. In this video, as you can see right now, we are into Claude, and here I'm just writing a prompt that hello Claude, send an email using my Gmail account to founder@digitalbikana.com, right? Okay, asking him about whatever the content you want to write in your email. You can simply mention it over here. In our previous video, we have learned how to create an account on Claude, and in the second video, we have learned how to connect your Claude AI agent with your Gmail account using MCP server. Okay, so I have written the content asking him about the new batches opening date in digital marketing course. Keep subject line as digital marketing new batch information required or requested. Okay, use my name Avinash Parik as email signature. Okay, so we have mentioned it, and I don't want to give my contact details, so I have written and don't add my mobile number in the signature. Okay, let's send it. Okay, now the email has been drafted and saved to your Gmail draft. Here is the summary of what the email content is. Now let's go to email Gmail and check in the drafts whether the Claude AI agent have written the mail and saved it in draft. So we are into drafts, and now let's open this email. So as you can see in the two, the founder mail ID is over there and subject line is over there and the content of the mail is over there. So in this manner, you can simply send an email using your Claude AI agent account by linking it with your Gmail using MCP server. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.